Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for SUI price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, starting on daily for the overview here for SUI to see what happened, of course, what it might happen as well in the next price action we have here in the overview. We have double 1-2. We're looking for a potential second wave 2 here, hitting perfectly the 0.38 minimum requirement for a wave 2 ABC and moving toward the upside. Double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Another bullish scenario, a finished A, B, and a C zigzag toward the upside, looking for three waves down, and then continuation again for higher prices. Of course, in a wave C here, where we are looking for A, B, and a C. Now, it depends where your wave B would like to finish. Would it be a short wave B, or would it be a longer wave B? This is a question mark, of course, where you might have a longer wave B, and of course, three waves correction and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside. Potentially, we have bottomed for this move toward the downside for a wave A. We're going to re-estimate, but potentially, yes, meaning a rebound is much higher potential, at least as a rebound or as bullish. One of these scenarios. Three waves corrective, then wave B or continuation to the upside. This is a question mark, right? Now, let's see, of course, what's going to happen inside this wave. Are we in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave A impulsive and wave A, B, C, which it can be, of course, even much more bigger impulse in case we have 1, 2. So what we have to discover is this wave is an impulse or just simply corrective. Let's move inside it, of course, on the 4-hour chart. In the 4-hour chart, we have, of course, here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing wave 3. So far, we are very good. With an impulse for 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing wave 3. With this wave 3, you would like to seek for a wave 4, and here we go, you got a triangle for a wave 4, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, finished without invalidation, and you're looking for a wave 5. Now this wave 5 has to be impulse or ending diagonal. There is no other solution, right? Otherwise, double 1, 2, of course, that would be a disaster for the bearish. So basically, we have as an ending diagonal, we start to think, okay, what if this one is a zigzag as a wave 1 for ending diagonal, and we got a wave 2, and then 3, then 4, and now we got the answer. Thank you, SUI, right? We got the answer that we're done moving toward the downside. Knowing that, of course, a wave 4 targets are the following blue box, which we were looking for, but yeah, the time in relation with wave 2 doesn't match at all. It has turned it into an expanding diagonal, which is the most rare case scenario again. Meaning, I would prefer in this case scenario, since this wave 5 has ended up something like this, exactly like this one, because there is no impulse, there is no 1, 2, therefore we're looking for three waves here, something corrective, guys. Now, my biggest fears are just that we get something like that, meaning three waves down, correction, and then three waves down, meaning a big W, X, and a Y. And this is your scenario here, where you might still have this one more leg toward the downside, so we're not gone with it yet. We're still there. It's still there. As you can see, it has just shifted toward the right with time, meaning this now the most highest potential scenario is, of course, we have finished here kind of like A, B, and a C for a W, then triangle for the X, then we're looking for potential three ways down, correction, three ways down. This is what I think we are looking at here. Potentially, it can be even, yeah, like three ways down as zigzag, three ways up, and then three ways down. Finishing wave Y. Yeah. In this case scenario, you're looking at a wave Y in WXY. Yeah, so crazy, right? What a correction for the crypto market. It's not just SUI, it's all the cryptos looking like this. Now, of course, you will ask me, is there a potential that we finish here? Yes, definitely, definitely. There is a potential that we just finished here in 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meaning A, B, and a C can be also potential. Unless this transforms to something corrective and it claim, oopsie, I need just one more leg. Yeah. So this is scenarios, guys, that we are looking for. Now, this looks impulsive. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, it looks impulsive. So let's see what do we have on the 1 hour chart. Let's start to think here in deep a little bit with SUI. What do we have? Definitely we have a leading diagonal here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We have a nice leading diagonal. Here we go. This is your 2. This is your 4. Yeah. Basically, this is a wave 1. 2, very clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. Very clear. 1, 2. Do we have an impulse here? 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and a C. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave C. Perfect. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potential leading diagonal wave 2. And currently 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, no invalidation. Wow. Okay. A lot of impulses here, guys. So look how many impulses do we have. We have leading diagonal, impulse, leading diagonal, impulse. Crazy, right? Okay. So what are the other possibilities as well? What if this is a leading diagonal in impulses? Well, can be. Why not? It can be. Even in a bigger picture, this also can be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in leading diagonal as well. So wave 1, sorry, here, wave 1, here we go, wave 2, 3, 4, here we go. And I think this has higher possibility because of this small area here that it might be a zigzag, potentially. But the problem is if this is a zigzag, then this is an impulse and this is a leading diagonal, which those are both together fine. But for a wave 4, for a wave 5, you need an impulse, not a zigzag, which is exactly this one. But this did not take the low, meaning is it possible that we are like this here in a correction? Also possible. So guys, and I don't deny that we are very bullish potentially, and we're looking for higher for SUI. But before I move with the count here, let me check KGT, guys, just to get much more inspiration here. 5-minute chart, yes. So as you can see, buy signal is there. That's nice. We have also the divergence, very nice. Another divergence, even nicer. Another divergence, even nicer. Currently, currently it's still looking a little bit for lower. Let me check the 3 minutes even closer. Yeah, the beautiful thing is that we invalidate the bearish signal. Even that is invalidation of bearish signal. So definitely we are bullish, guys. Again, for KGT we are bullish. What does it mean? We are, of course, we might, of course, see a little bit low and then directly move towards the upside. Yep. So the confirmation for bullish, whatever we have here, guys, is taking this high. Okay. This is, let's make it easier and simple. 2.5 is our bullish scenario for higher prices. The higher we move, of course, I mean, the better we get. In potentially, I'm still tending to be in 4-1-2s again, the same like FET. Possibility to be a big 1-2 is also possible. It doesn't matter if this is a big wave 1-2, meaning you're looking as well to a very big bullish scenario towards the upside. So let's mark this anyway, at least as a leading diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay. In case we are in a big wave 1, don't forget that we need a wave 2, which it shows, KGT show it right now. It shows like, oh, we are in a sell, but don't forget that it has been invalidated, meaning if we get a little bit lower prices here and we get another CVD divergence, yeah, this might go down, might make this divergence stronger with a wave 2 and of course explosion toward the upside. If we move directly from here, you have to take several 1-2s here, yeah, meaning 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, yeah, something like this. If we move like this, we're gonna remove this big wave 1 and we're gonna move with 4 1-2s. If we move in 3 waves down, take a big wave 2, that would be of course much better signal that we are in a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal. Taking the 886 here, let me check 1 second. Of course, well, I'm very bullish here, but I always have to be safe, guys, for you as well. 0.886, 2.25 is your bearish signal. Meaning if we take this, higher possibilities start to become, of course, that we are in bearish. Sorry. No. Be careful. This one. Oh God. Here we go. 0.886. Yeah. Having 3 waves down, potentially, I would like to see the wave 2. 0.618 would be even more than enough, and then moving for higher. If we take the 886, $2 again, that's not good, guys. That's not good. Yeah. Because a 1-2 is, of course, in a leading diagonal, can be a wave 3 here, and 0.886. Yeah. If we move somehow like that, that will be, of course, a very bullish, of course, in 4 1-2s. In this case scenario, this also exists, guys. If we move down here and we move up, we're moving with 4 1-2s. If we take the 886, you have to consider we're moving to this target. If broken with 886, we're moving even back to the blue box, which is expected for a wave Z and a wave Y, if you remember, or a bigger wave Y here. Because we saw this WXYXZ in many coins, even on Bitcoin for this bear market. So basically, I'm bullish on SUI, but many levels to break first. You can expect a wave 2 here and move towards the upside. You can expect big wave 2 here and move for a 1-2 for higher. If you break the 886, then we are bearish for the blue box and move towards the upside again. That was it for SUI. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.